Chess Extra, How to Play. The rules are the same as regular chess, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The game is played on a 10 by 10 board with 2 new pieces. The assassin moves and can capture 1 space backwards and jumps exactly 2 spaces diagonally. The assassin can move without capturing 1 space forward, left, or right. The priest moves and captures exactly 1 space diagonally. When the priest captures a pawn, that pawn will be converted to the same color as the priest and placed at the priest's previous location. There are additional game modes you can play. Traps mode gives each player 1 trap to place on any space in their 4th or 5th row. Traps are invisible to the other player. When any piece moves onto or through a trapped square, that piece is immobilized for its entire next turn. Pieces may jump over traps without getting caught. Reinforcements mode sets up the game with 4 additional pawns for each side, starting in different locations based on the selected configuration. Random positions mode randomizes the starting positions of each player's rear rank pieces. Fog of War mode is the same as regular chess, except you can only see the spaces that your pieces can move to. This icon will appear if your king is in check.